Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will start chapter 7, that is factors and multiples. So students, in this video first we will study about the factors, what are the factors and how can we find the factors of a number. Is it clear? So students, open page number 89 in your book and just look here. So students, what are the factors? What is the meaning of factors? So now the numbers, what did I say? Just listen to me very carefully. The numbers which are multiplied together. The numbers which are multiplied together to give a product are known as factors. I am repeating it again. The numbers, here are two numbers 2 and 3. The numbers which are multiplied together to give a product is 6. These numbers are known as factors of that number, of a product. Is it clear? 6 के factors क्या हो गए? 2 and 3. And in another words we can say 2 के टेबल में क्या आ जाएगा बच्चे? 3 times 2 3s are 6. Is it clear? And 3 की टेबल में भी क्या आ जाएगा? 6. How many times? 2 times. Is it clear? So in other words we can say जिसकी भी टेबल में क्या आता है? 6 आता है. That will be factors of 6. Like किसकी टेबल में आता है 6? 1 की टेबल में 6 आएगा. Is it clear? Then 2. As we can see here 2 की टेबल में 3 times 6 आ जाएगा. Then 3 की टेबल में 6 आएगा. 4 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 5 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा, देन किसकी टेबल में आएगा? 6. खुद अपनी टेबल में आएगा. Is it clear? Now here we can see the factors of 6. जिसकी टेबल में 6 आता है, these all are the factors of 6. Is it clear students? So now we'll see two numbers here and we have to find the factors of these two numbers. So students, first number I am taking 12. What is the first number? The first number I am taking 12. Now I have to find the factors of 12. मुझे 12 के क्या find करने हैं? Factors find करने हैं. So what I am going to observe now? अब मुझे ये observe करना पड़ेगा कि किसकी टेबल में 12 आता है. So first of all student 1 एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसमें सारे नंबर्स आ जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? 1 की टेबल में सब कुछ आ जाएगा. 1 की टेबल में क्या आएगा? 12 आएगा. 12 टाइम्स एंड विल गेट 12. इज इट क्लियर? और 12 किसकी टेबल में आता है? 2 की टेबल में आएगा. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 6 टाइम्स. 2 6 are 12. नेक्स्ट 3 4s are 12. इज इट क्लियर? Now again 4 की टेबल में आएगा. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 4 3s are 12. Then again 5 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा. 6 की टेबल में आएगा. 6 2s are 12. Is it clear? Then 12 खुद अपनी टेबल में आएगा. 12 1s are 12. Now what we are observing? We are observing these numbers are repeating again. ये क्या हो रहे हैं? फिर से repeat हो रहे हैं. So now here we can see factors of 12. Factors of 12 is equals to 1, after 1 2, then 3 and then 4 की टेबल में आएगा 12, then 6 and the last number is 12. Is it clear students? Now we are taking one more number and the number is 16. So now we are going to find the factors of 16. हमें 16 के factors find करना है. So just look here. As we know 1 into 16 will be 16. 16 किसकी टेबल में आएगा? 1 की टेबल में आएगा. Now let me check by 2. 2 की टेबल में आएगा 16. How many times? 8 times. 2 8s are 16. After 2 3 की टेबल में 16 नहीं आएगा. Now 4. How many times? 4 4s are 16. Is it clear students? अब ये 16 किसकी टेबल में आएगा? अगेन 8 की टेबल में. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 2 टाइम्स. एंड देन इन 16 टेबल हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? time? One time. It means they are repeating again. So now factors of 16 are, now the factors of 16, the first factor will be 1 क्योंकि 1 के टेबल में सब आते हैं, then 2 8 times, then 4, then 8 and then 16. Is it clear, students? So now here we have seen factors of 12 and factors of 16. So students, now we'll study about the properties of factors, that is given on page number 90. On page number 90, now we'll discuss properties of factors. So just look here, just look these two examples. हम इन two examples को देखकर क्या observe करेंगे? Properties of factors. So what you are observing in these two examples? क्या observe कर रहे हो आप? As you can see, the first factor is 1 in both of the numbers. दोनों में जो first factor है वो क्या है? 1. Why 1 is here? Because as we know, 1 is a number. 1 एक ऐसा number है जिसके टेबल में सारे numbers आएंगे. It means 1 is the smallest factor of every number. So this is the first property. What is the first property? 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Is it clear, students? Now the next property, what we are observing the next? What is the next property? As you can see, students, the last number. Just look at the last number. When we are finding the factors of 12, जब हमने 12 के factors find किए, the last factor is 12. Now again the factors of 16. Again you can see the last factor is 16. So what we are observing now? We are observing, it means we are watching here. Every number is the factor of itself. Is it clear? 12 जो है वो अपना खुद एक फैक्टर है, 16 भी, 16 का एक फैक्टर खुद क्या होगा? 16 होगा. And this is the second property. Is it clear, students? Suppose you are finding factors of 18, तो 18 का खुद एक फैक्टर कौन हो जाएगा? 18, the number itself. Is it clear? Now we are observing the third property. Now what is the third property? Just look here again. As you can see, the last factor is 12. When we are finding the factors of 12, the last factor is 12. अब 12 से बड़ा कोई factor नहीं हो सकता जिसकी table में 12 आ जाए. It means the third property is you can have the greatest factor, the number itself. जिसका factor आप find कर रहे हो वो खुद क्या होगा? अपना एक greatest factor होगा और बाकी जो factors होंगे वो उससे कैसे होंगे? छोटे होंगे. Is it clear? Again you can see in 16, what is the greatest factor of 16? The number itself. और उसके बाकी के जो factors हैं वो क्या हो गए? 16 से छोटे हो गए. So this is the third property of factors. Now we'll see the next property, students. And the next property is every number can have a limited number of factors. फैक्टर्स कैसे हो सकते हैं? लिमिटेड हो सकते हैं. एज यू कैन सी हियर, अब 12 से आगे तो कोई फैक्टर्स हो नहीं सकते जिन्हें हम काउंट नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी कैन काउंट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6. देयर आर 6 फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. एंड हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स वी कैन सी ऑफ 16? 1 2 3 4 5. देयर आर 5 फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16. सो नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स विल बी लिमिटेड. This is the fourth property. Now what is the fifth property? The fifth property is 1 is the only number which have only a factor, that will be 1. 1 किसकी टेबल में आता है? 1 अपनी खुद की टेबल में आता है, उसके अलावा 1 किसी की टेबल में नहीं आएगा. So how many factors 1 have? A 1 has only one factor, that is 1 only. Is it clear, students? So students, here we have seen 5 properties of factors. So now, after discussing properties of factors, we'll see the types of numbers. And here we will study about the numbers. 2 types of numbers. The first is prime numbers, and the next is composite numbers. So now first of all we'll study about the prime numbers. What is the meaning of prime numbers? A number which have only two factors. टू फैक्टर मीन्स अब वो नंबर जो सिर्फ टू टेबल्स में आएगा. टू टेबल्स कौन कौन सी होंगी? वन, बिकॉज वी नो वन की टेबल में सब आते हैं, एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ. Is it clear? A number which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, these numbers are known as prime numbers. Is it clear? So just look here students, as you can take the first number is 2. 2 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? 2 आता है 1 की टेबल में और नेक्स्ट 2 खुद अपनी टेबल में आता है. It means 2 have two factors, 1 and the number itself. Now we take the next number, that is 3. 3 किसकी टेबल में आता है? हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स वी कैन सी हियर ऑफ 3? 1 की टेबल में 3 आएगा एंड देन 3 खुद अपनी टेबल में आएगा. उसके अलावा आप देख सकते हो 3 किसी की टेबल में आता हो? नहीं आता. सो नाउ वी टेक द नेक्स्ट नंबर एंड द नेक्स्ट नंबर वी आर टेकिंग 4. सो नाउ एज वी नो 1 की टेबल में 4 आता है, राइट? 2 की टेबल में भी 4 आता है और 4 किसकी टेबल में आता है? खुद अपनी टेबल में आता है, राइट? So here we can see factors of 4 more than 2. More than 2 factors a number 4 is having. 4 के पास क्या है? More than 2 factors हैं, 2 से ज़्यादा factors हैं. It means 4 is not a prime number. 4 एक prime number नहीं होगा. Now we take the next number, that is 5. 5 किसकी टेबल में आता है? 1 की टेबल में आता है एंड 5 खुद अपनी टेबल में आता है. उसके अलावा किसी की टेबल में 5 आता है? नहीं आता. इट मीन्स दीज आर द प्राइम नंबर्स विच हैव ओनली टू फैक्टर्स, 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ, जो 1 की टेबल में आते हैं और खुद अपनी टेबल में आते हैं. दीज नंबर्स आर नोन एज प्राइम नंबर्स. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट वी आर टेकिंग कंपोजिट नंबर्स. अ नंबर विच हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. वो नंबर जिसके 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स हैं. 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स हैं का मीनिंग क्या है? सपोज वी आर टेकिंग अ नंबर 6. 6 के फैक्टर्स क्या क्या हैं? किस किस की टेबल में 6 आएगा? 1 की टेबल में आ जाएगा, 2 की टेबल में आ जाएगा, 3 की टेबल में आ जाएगा और खुद अपनी टेबल में आ जाएगा. इट मीन्स दिस इज हैविंग मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. यहाँ 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स हैं. इट मीन्स अ नंबर विच हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स, दीज नंबर्स, द नंबर इज नोन एज composite number. Is it clear students? Prime number which have 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, जो 1 की टेबल में आएगा और खुद अपनी टेबल में आएगा, and the numbers which have more than 2 factors, these numbers are known as composite numbers. Is it clear students? So now what is the smallest prime number? Now you have seen prime numbers. Now just tell me what is the smallest prime number? सबसे छोटा prime number कौन सा है? 2. Because 2 have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Is it clear? अब 2 से पहले क्या आ जाएगा? 0 and 1. These two numbers 0 and 1, these numbers are neither composite or not prime number. ये ना तो composite numbers होते हैं ना ही ये prime numbers होते हैं. So what is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. Is it clear students? So now students we will take the next topic, that is factorization. So students, what is the meaning of factorization? Factorization means, this is given on page number 90. On page number 90 you can see factorization means writing a number as a product of its factors. Suppose we are taking a number 6. 6 को उसी के factors के product के रूप में लिखना, like 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. तो हमने 6 को कैसे break कर दिया? 2 multiplied by 3. It means writing a number as the factor as the product of its factor is called the factorization. हमने 6 का क्या कर दिया यहाँ पे factorization कर दिया. Is it clear students? So now we take some question of exercise 7.1. So students open page number 92 in your book. Page number 92, exercise 7.1, and now we are taking the first question. And question number 1 is write down the factors of the following numbers. It means we have to find the factors of 28 because we are taking A part. In A part we can see 28. It means we have to find the factors of 28. हमें 28 के क्या find करने हैं? Factors find करने हैं. So just look here. 1 multiplied by 28 will be 28. 1 की टेबल में 28 टाइम्स क्या आ जाएगा? 28 आ जाएगा. Then we'll see 2. If we multiply 2 by 14, हम 2 को अगर 14 से multiply करें, we'll get 28 again. Is it clear? Now we'll see the next. 3 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा. Now 4. 4 multiplied by 7. 4 की टेबल में 7 टाइम्स हमें क्या मिलेगा? 28. Is it clear students? Now again 5 की टेबल में 28 नहीं आएगा. 6 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा. Now again 7. It means now factors are repeating again. अब ये क्या हो रहा है? Repeat हो रहे हैं. 7 की टेबल में कितने टाइम्स आ जाएगा 28? 4 टाइम्स. Then 14 की टेबल में आ जाएगा 2 टाइम्स. 28 की टेबल में आ जाएगा 1 टाइम. Now here we have seen the factors of 28. Factors of 28 are 1, then 2, then 4, then 7, 14, and the number itself, which is the last factor, 28. Is it clear students? Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. In this way students you can find the factors of every number. Now we'll see the next question, that is question number 2. Now in question number 2 again we have to find the factors of a number, but now the method which we are using is factor tree method. Which method we are using now? Factor tree method. Question number 2 is make a factor tree for the following numbers. We are taking A part of this question, question number 2, A part, and the A part is 18. So students just look here. Here we are going to find the factors of 18 and the method which we are using is factor tree method. So just look here, what is the factor tree? हमें 18 के क्या find करने हैं? Factors find करने हैं. So now we are going to break this 18. अब हम इस 18 को क्या करने वाले हैं? Break करने वाले हैं. Can I write like this? 9 2s are 18. 9 into 2 will be 18. तो मैं इसको ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ 9 2s are 18. मैंने 18 को क्या कर दिया? ब्रेक कर दिया इसके फैक्टर्स में 9 and 2. Is it clear students? So now again 9 को मैं कैसे लिख सकती हूँ? 9 को मैं ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Is it clear? अब मैं 2 को अगर ब्रेक करना चाहूँ तो मैं 2 को और कैसे लिख सकती हूँ? 2 किसकी टेबल में आता है? 1 की टेबल में 2 1s are 2. 3 को कैसे ब्रेक कर सकती हूँ? 1 into 3, अगेन 1 into 3. So हमें नंबर्स को कब तक ब्रेक करना है? Until we find the प्राइम नंबर. जब तक हमें प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं मिल जाता. यहाँ हमें 2 मिल गया, 2 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. यहाँ 3 मिल गया, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ प्राइम नंबर. अब इसके आगे और फैक्टर्स नहीं हो सकते. So in this way you can find the factors of 18. और what we can do? और क्या कर सकते हैं हम? Just look here. 18 को मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकती हूँ 3 6s are 18. Right? Now 3 is a prime number. इसके और कोई factors मुझे नहीं करने. Now again 6. 6 को मैं ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ 2 3s are 6. Is it clear students? So in this way you have to make a factor tree and you have to find the factors of a number. So now how many factors we can see here? Factors of 18 are 1. 1 तो सबका factor है. Then after 1 we can see 2. After 2 you can see 3 here, 3 की टेबल में आ जाएगा. Then after 3 you can see 6, 6 की टेबल में आ जाएगा 18. Then 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 की टेबल में आ जाएगा. Then the last factor of every number is the number itself. Is it clear, students? So this is the factor tree method, by which method you can find the factors of a number. Is it clear? So now we'll take the next question, and the next question is question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 7.1 is find the common factors of the following numbers. So now students, we can see 2 or 3 numbers are given in the question. First we have to find the factors of these numbers, then we will find the common factors between them. फिर हम उनके बीच में क्या find करेंगे? Common factors find करेंगे. So students, we are taking question number 3, B part, and the B part is 9 and 15. So students, here we have two numbers 9 and 15 and we have to find the common factors of 9 and 15. इनके हमें common factors find करने हैं. So first we'll find the factors of 9. 1 की टेबल में आ जाता है 9, right? 2 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा. Then 3 की टेबल में 9 आता है. After 3 किसकी टेबल में आएगा 9? खुद अपनी टेबल में. It means we have 3 factors of 9, 1, 3 and the number itself, which is 9. So now we'll find the factors of 15. 1. After 1, 2 की टेबल में 15 नहीं आएगा. Then 3 की टेबल में आ जाएगा 15. How many times? 5 times. 4 की टेबल में 15 नहीं आएगा. Then 5 की टेबल में आ जाएगा 15 3 times. It means 5 is the factor of 15. Then 15 किसकी टेबल में आएगा? खुद अपनी टेबल में. Is it clear, students? So now we have written the factor of 9 and factor of 15. But the question is we have to find the common factors. हमें common factors find करना है. So as you can see, 1 is common here. 1 यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है. Then next the common factor is 3. 9 यहाँ है लेकिन यहाँ नहीं है. 5 है, 15 है लेकिन 9 में factors 5 and 15 नहीं है. So here the common factors are 1 and 3. Is it clear? In this way, students, you can find the common factors between two numbers or more than two numbers. So now students will take question number 6. Question number 6 of exercise 7.1, question number 6. Question number 6 is express the following composite numbers as a product of their prime factors. Use division method. So students, now we have to use division method to find the prime factors. Now we have to find the prime factors. So we are taking A part of this question and the A part is 108. हमें 108 के factors find करने हैं, prime factors find करने हैं, and we have to use division method. So students, just look here, what is the division method? First of all, you have to take a number which is the smallest prime number. आपको सबसे छोटा smallest सबसे छोटा prime number लेना है. As we know, the smallest prime number is 2. What is the smallest prime number? Smallest prime number is 2. Now we have to divide 108 by 2. हमें क्या करना है? 108 को 2 से divide करना है. So just look here. When we divide 108 by 2, we'll get 5 times 10 and 4 times 8. And here the answer will be 54. What is the answer? The answer is 54. Now we have divided this number by 2. हमने इसको 2 से divide किया. So we'll write 2 here. Is it clear? And what is the answer? After dividing, we are getting 54. So we'll write 54 here. Is it clear? Now students, the new dividend is 54. अब हमें क्या करना है? 54 को डिवाइड करना है. किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? Again we'll divide 54 by 2. हम 54 को फिर किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. As we know 2 is a prime number. So now 54 divided by 2. Just look here, we are dividing 54 by 2. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. 4 will come down and 2 7s are 14. So if we divide 54 by 2, we'll get answer 27. Answer क्या आ गया? 27. Again you are dividing 54 by 2. आपने 2 से divide किया है, तो आपको 2 कहाँ लिखना है? 2 will write here. And what is the answer we are getting? The answer is 27 will write here. Is it clear students? So now again we have to divide this number by the prime number. हमें इसे किसी prime number से divide करना है. If I divide 27 by 2, अगर मैं 27 को 2 से divide करूँ, ये completely divide हो जाएगा? No. Just look here, we are dividing 27 by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So we are not able to divide it. We are not able to divide 27 by 2. So now in this situation, we have to take the next prime number, and the next prime number is 3. And 3 9s are 27. 27 is completely divisible by 3 and we get 9. हमने 3 से divide किया है 27 को and we are getting 9. So we'll write 3 here and 9 here. 9 is also divisible by 3. So now again we'll divide 9 by 3. 9 को किससे divide करेंगे? 3 से divide करेंगे and the answer will be 3. So we'll write 3 here. Again we can divide 3 by 3. हम 3 को 3 से divide कर सकते हैं and we'll get the answer 1. We keep dividing these numbers until we get 1. जब तक हमें 1 नहीं मिल जाता, हम इन्हें क्या करते रहेंगे? Prime numbers से divide करते रहेंगे. Is it clear students? So now here we have seen factors of 108 and the factors are 2 multiplied by 2, then 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This is the division method to find the factors of a number. Is it clear students? So in this way you can find the factors by division method. We have seen factor tree method also. So students, now we'll start the bookwork of this exercise. So just look here, question number 4, this is the bookwork, and question number 4 is write the first 10 prime numbers. So students, we have seen what are the prime numbers, the numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So what is the first smallest prime number? 2, then 3 and then 5, after 5 7, then 11, then 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. These are the prime numbers जो खुद अपनी टेबल में आते हैं और किसकी टेबल में आते हैं? 1 की टेबल में आते हैं. Is it clear? 2 के बाद 3, then after 3 4. 4 is not a prime number, 4 is the composite number. Is it clear students? So in this way you can write the first 10 prime numbers. So now we see question number 5, and question number 5 is write T for true and F for false statements. So statements are given here. A part is the smallest prime number is 1. Students, we have seen 0 and 1. ये ना तो prime number है ना ही composite number है. The smallest prime number is 2. And here what is the statement? The smallest prime number is 1. So this statement will be false. B part is 7 is a prime number. So as we know 7 के सिर्फ 2 factors हैं. 7 अपनी टेबल में आता है और 1 की टेबल में आता है और किसी की टेबल में 7 नहीं आता. So the 7 is a prime number. This statement will be true. Now the C part is the smallest factor of every number is 1. As we know 1 is the smallest factor of every number. So this statement will be true. Is it clear students? So students, here we have seen what are the factors, how can we find the factors. In the next video of this chapter we will study about the multiples and divisibility test. So students, I hope you understood this chapter well. Thank you.